What is going on, guys? PJ over here with Advanced Industries. Wanted to take a quick opportunity just to say thank you for trusting us with your vehicle and all of your automotive needs. We are here to help in any way that we can. I wanted to take an opportunity to go over a little bit of your warranty care as well as your aftercare of your paint protection film that was just installed on your vehicle. First and foremost, film can have a mind of its own, and just understand that we do everything that we can from a quality control process to make sure that every edge is tucked and that it is 100% set and sealed, but sometimes those can lift. You may notice a little bit of bubbling in those. That is totally normal. The moment that you realize that, please make sure that you reach out, give us a quick phone call. We'll make sure that we get eyes on your vehicle, and we'd love to make sure that we get those addressed as soon as we possibly can. Number two, please avoid high-powered pressure washers and or automated car washes. Reason being is that film is letting it cure. We want to make sure that all of those edges are able to stay tucked. Any super high powered water pressure of any sort and or abrasiveness can interrupt that process. Let me state this very, very clearly. We do not recommend automated car washes with brushes by any stretch of the imagination. You do have paint protection film on there. In its nature, it is going to be self-healing. That being said, what you don't know is that inside of those automated car washes, those bristles and those brushes are gonna pick up rocks, contaminants, debris. Every time that you go through those, there is the risk in which we are gonna pick up scratches, dents, dings, any of that type of thing in the film, and we wanna avoid that at all costs. The biggest thing that we're looking for is a long life out of this film that is keeping your car looking showroom ready at any given time, and making sure that we avoid those brushes with any sort of contaminant that can scratch that PPF is going to be of the utmost importance. One thing that we would love to do with every vehicle, if you can find a way to make sure to fit it into your schedule, is we would love to do a 1 week to 2 week visual inspection. If you're able to reach out to one of our lovely sales reps and or general managers, we would love to have your vehicle back here into the shop to get eyes on. What that's going to allow us to do is make sure that every edge, every seam, everything is actually setting appropriately. If there are any issues, we're able to get that addressed right away so that we can make sure that your vehicle is performing and looking showroom ready for as long as possible. Please feel free to reach out to any one of our sales reps and or your point of contact to get in touch with us, and we'll make sure to get that on the schedule with you. Outside of that, we are here to answer any questions that you may have. Please feel free to give us a call at Advanced Industries or email us, and we are here to answer any questions. We look forward to serving you in any of your future automotive, commercial, or residential needs, and we wish you all the best. Thank you again for trusting us, and we'll see you soon.